ประมาณ10 นาทีแล้วก็เก็บของเราจะเอากระเป๋านี้ไปด้วยเผื่อว่าเราจะซื้ออะไรที่ระหว่างทางเราก็ไม่รู้นะว่าเขาจะแบบมีแวะอะไรหรือเปล่าก็ไปเผื่อคิดว่าวันนี้อากาศมันค่อนข้างที่จะแบบก็หนาวกว่าเมื่อวานนั่นแหละแต่ว่าก็มีแดดมากกว่าเมื่อวานด้วยก็เลยจะเอาแค่ก็โปะครีมกันแดดไปแล้วก็เอาเสื้อกันลมไปคือเสื้อหนาวอ่ะอันนี้คือมันใช้หน้าหนาวไม่ได้นะเพราะมันทนไม่ได้today outfit นี่ก็ไม่มีอะไร
Are you going to kiss them? Yeah. No. I like your. Oh, there's. What? I like it. แขนสั้นมาก hands short.
Tonight's gonna be a good night.
I love this sound. I'll save the picture for the bridge picture. If we go like this, it's okay, but no. Yeah. But this way is really nice.
Arrivavo al 6. Arrivavo al 6. Sempre meglio del
No. All right, so you're from all around the world?
Yeah.
So what countries are present here?
Belgium,
Italy,
Thailand,
Thailand,
Belgium.
Ukraine. We had a girl from Belgium living with us for a year.
Stupid.
It's up. It's a little bit warmer in the spring, a little bit warmer in the fall. But the main reason is to keep rain off my crops. You find that a little bit funny? Trying to keep rain, doesn't crops need water? So why would we put a cover over there to stop the rain? Why would we do that? It needs water. These are a lot less, a little bit more expensive to put it in, but once you have it in, the labor is less. So as you see, we
ด้านใหญ่ๆอ่ะอร่อยปะ
The best one I know.
I think I found some.
Para boda, chi collala.
Elisa, someone wanted.
Oh my god.
Here, you're nice.
Elisa,
That's good.
pacifiziert. Weißt du warum? Weißt du warum?
It's really sweet.
Hello, we don't speak
Very
Spanish.
Is it good? Yeah, very good. Oh my god.
I have to wash it. I'm not clean. I have to wash it.
Very good.
Aren't they? I like how
Again.
every tree is tied to the wire. And back there, you'll see the trees are big. And they're about 20, maybe about 25. Here at once. And I can put the fertilizer there too. So the reason why we, you can pass that around. No, different colors.
Why are they different colors?
It's just the way it grows.
What's the crunchiest apple?
They're all crunchy right now. I would say the Empire is probably one of the crunchiest ones.
Okay.
Not a gold is crunchy too. I would say Empire is probably a little bit crunchier. John?
Ooh.
Empire. Is it kind of a semi-sweet? So these are the Johnny Gold. So
What's the Johnny Gold? I've never actually even heard of that.
Yeah, me too.
apple, it's a mix of an old apple called Jonathan and a Golden Delicious.
Oh, okay. So Gold
And
Delicious.
they're really nice this time of year, but once you get to February, March, they get waxy.
Okay.
Oh.
So they're I can find probably the further you go back the lower the red ones get.
Do you have like a tip for picking apples?
A tip? Yeah. When I got little kids here, I teach them how to pick an apple. Just gotta find a nice red one here. It's a nice red one.
Okay.
Okay. So I call that eye, and I tell the little kids eye to the sky. So go like this. See?
Okay.
It breaks off.
Without breaking everything else.
Yeah. When you just twist it upside down. So these are my sweetest apple. Yeah, all the big ones are up in the top now. I have to go back.
It's really good.
Yeah, good.
Simone, find me a nice.